Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure you're on the device you want to change, iPhone/iPad or Mac. Sign into your Apple ID so regional settings sync, and enable location services so Safari can use local results. On iOS, open Settings. On Mac OS, open System Preferences. Once done, go to General Language and Region on iOS or Apple Menu System Settings, Language and Region on Mac OS. These are the prerequisites and the first actionable steps to change how Safari. Now adjust the detailed settings that control Safari. Change your region and add preferred languages in Language and Region. On iOS, tap Region and pick the country. On Mac OS, add a region and restart apps if prompted. Next, open Privacy and Security Location Services and set Safari to allow while using the app, ensuring web pages can request location. Then clear Safari's cache and website data so sites reevaluate your new region. Doing these steps updates content, search results, and localized suggestions effectively. Finish by restarting Safari or the whole device so the system and apps pick up the new region. Make sure search engines also reflect the change. Open Google or Bing settings and adjust region if needed. If pages still show the old region, toggle location services off and on, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and clear cookies for the affected sites. If problems persist, reboot once more. That typically forces region propagation and resolves lingering cache or permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.